Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss about why we require artificial lift in any well, any oil well. So suppose this is the graph of the pressure versus the production rate. Here we can say this line is indicated the IPR relation, that is the inflow performance relation. It described about how much fluid will come with respect to pressure from the reservoir to the wellbore, and this yellow curve indicates the TPR curve, that is the tubing performance relationship, and it described how the fluid will come from the tubing, bottom of the tubing to the surface. So at the intersection point of these two, this point will give us our Q optimum, or we can say Q operating. So generally if the IPR curve and the TPR curve intersect, then we can decide the what flow rate the well should flow. But suppose if we have a certain condition in which the if the TPR is not intersecting the IPR curve, then what should we do to intersect these 2 points? We have to give pressure something to the tubing part. Suppose we require flow rate, that is the Q here, then at that flow rate we require this much amount of pressure to be added to the system, so that we will have this much of flow rate. So this much of pressure we can give to the system with help of the artificial lift. So what we do in artificial lift is we try to give this pressure to the system, or we can say we can try to lower this tubing performance curve to that much amount of pressure from this point to this point, so we can get the desired Q or flow rate. So that is the basic function behind why we require artificial lift in any well. Thanks.